Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. We're learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone, and today we're actually going to install the app for the first time onto my iPhone XR here. Now, how do I do that? Well, very simple. To install an app, you just go to the App Store. So I'm going to tap on the App Store, open it up, and we're going to search for these three letters, EGW. And you can see when I type in EGW, you see EGW Writings, and that's our 11-year-old app. And then our current app is EGW Writings 2. And there's a couple others like EGW Writings Lite and Classics, or EGW Classics 2. They're our old apps. Our current app that you want to install is that EGW Writings 2. So you tap on that. And once you bring it up, you can see, if you've never installed it, you'll see a get. So if I come down to a program that I've never installed before, see how you see the word get? Well, if you've never installed it, you would see the word get. You tap on it and you install it. If you've previously installed the app, it will be a little cloud with a download arrow, and then you tap and the app will go ahead and it will install. Now, as soon as the app installs, it's going to pop up and say open. So you just tap on the open here and it will run the app for the first time. Now, when you run it for the first time, it asks you, do you want to install the 120 books? And yes, you do. You want to just go ahead and install the core EGW books. So you just click on yes. The other thing I strongly suggest that you do is sign into the app in EGW Cloud. And we've shown you before how you sign into the app. So once you've signed into the app, you'll need to click allow to allow the app to talk to our EGW Cloud. And there you are. You've now installed the app and you're ready to use it. Now, in the background, those 120 books, depending on your internet connection, could take anywhere from 2 minutes to half an hour, but they will install. And the app may run a little slow until they're fully downloaded and indexed. You can always check if they're downloaded by tapping on the side menu, clicking on Download Manager, and you can click on what's downloaded, and it looks like, or loading now I guess, looks like all our books are downloaded, but not a problem. But for you, if you're on a slower connection, it may be working in the background. That's something just to check. All right, so we have installed the app. We're now ready to go ahead and use it. Thank you for joining us, learning how to use the EGW Writings app. The first step, of course, is you've got to install it to use it. I hope that this app brings you plenty of blessings as you read and study the writings of Ellen White. Have a nice day.